Blocking someone on Twitter is a straightforward process that helps you manage your interactions and maintain a positive experience on the platform. Follow these steps to block a user effectively. Step 1. Log into your Twitter account. Open the Twitter app or website and log into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Find the user you want to block. Use the search bar to locate the user you wish to block. You can enter their username or real name to find their profile. Step 3. Access their profile. Click on the user's profile to view their tweets and information. This will take you to their main Twitter page. Step 4. Click on the More Options button. On their profile page, look for the 3 dots or More button, usually located near the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. Step 5. Select Block. From the drop-down menu, choose a block option. A confirmation prompt may appear to confirm your choice to block the user. Once you have completed these steps, the user will no longer be able to follow you or interact with your tweets. Remember, you can always unblock them later if you change your mind.